Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, guys, yesterday I told you that Samsung has said that they will give One UI 7 betas to these phones. As promised, Samsung has started rolling out One UI 7 betas to this eligible device. The first phone to receive One UI 7 beta is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Okay, this two phone has already started receiving One UI 7 beta, and this is the update. You can see the update size is 5300 MB. Currently, Indian users and Korea users have started receiving this One UI 7 beta update on Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Flip 6. Okay, and next is obviously, as I told you, Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be started receiving. And please note, guys, you will not get update directly. Okay, you have to register for the beta program. To register, you have to go to obviously Samsung member app, or everyone has this Samsung member app. If you don't have, just you can download this member app from Google Play Store. If your device is eligible, these are the device list which are getting One UI 7 beta, as I told you. After that, just open the member app. Okay, after opening, if your device is eligible for One UI 7 beta, just click on the banner to join the beta program. Okay, after joining, you just have to go to your phone settings and check for the update, if there is any update, any beta update. Okay, for the eligible device, as I told you, these are the One UI 7 beta eligible device currently Samsung has officially announced. So I think Samsung next is Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Obviously, my one I will not get beta update because my one is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra will get a One UI 7 beta, but not S23 FE. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.